Put a water bottle upside down in your sink drain, and you never have this problem again. That's right, everyone. I'm sure that this hack can help you a lot at home. So that's what you're gonna do. First, take a plastic bottle like this one, and then go ahead and fill this with water. Alright, I already filled the bottle, and for now, let's just set it aside. But here guys, when I turn on my sink faucet, look what happens. See this? I open it just a little, and even so, look how the water is accumulating here. Check this out, it looks like a little swimming pool. The water is going down very slowly. And that's because the sink is almost clogged. You got it? If this is happening in your sink, or if it's already clogged, then this is what you do. You're gonna need some coarse salt. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons here directly in the sink drain. And we're also gonna need baking soda, alright? Let's add just 1 very full tablespoon. Put it there too. And we're also gonna use dish soap. I don't have an exact amount for this, but I think that will do the job. And now we need some hot water, but make sure it's not boiling water though, just hot. Then go ahead and pour this water in there. And now here's the thing. Take that water bottle that we set aside earlier, and then go ahead and put it like this in the drain. And then press it very hard several times, like so. This will make the water go down faster, and if there's any dirt clogging up your sink, this process will unclog it right away. The other ingredients will help to clean it and remove bad odors, and then you unclog it with the water bottle. So here I just did this trick, and let's go ahead and see how it turned out. Now I can fully open the faucet. Check it out. You see it? Much better, right? The water is not accumulating here anymore. It goes down straight away. Look at this. That's an amazing and simple hack. So that's it, folks. If you have trouble with this at home, try this trick. Then I'm sure it's gonna help you a lot.